Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss once again a very important case in which the issue before the Honorable Patna High Court was that if an approval under section 153D has been given for the draft assessment orders which are to be culminate into final assessment order under section 153C, and where the approval is given for multiple years for two assessees on a single day. So whether in that case that approval should be treated as mechanical approval and the assessment proceeding should be quashed. This issue has been taken up by the Honorable Patna ITAT in the case of Shrimati Anita Devi versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 126 ITR Tribunal, short note 38, and the date of the judgment is 29th July 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 11-12 to assessment year 17-18, and the facts of the case is like this. In the present case, there was search on S Group of Trust, and in that search it was found that, and the incriminating material was found that cash has been deposited into the assessee's account, and accordingly the notice under section 153C were issued to the assessee for different years. The assessee filed the return of income. During the assessment proceedings, the assessee was asked the reason for the cash deposit into her bank account. The assessee explained that this cash is from the agriculture income of the Hindu undivided family. Since the Hindu undivided family do not have the bank account, so cash has been deposited into her bank account. Apart from this, the assessee also explained that the assessee do have the income of stitching and knitting, and from that income the cash has been deposited. The assessing officer during the assessment proceedings found the explanation of the assessee not tenable and made the addition of the income as unexplained, which was duly upheld by the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. When this matter was before the tribunal, the assessee came out with an additional ground that the assessment have been completed on the basis of a mechanical approval from the Joint Commissioner under section 153D. The assessee pleaded and relied on the two celebrated judgment of the Supreme Court in respect of admitting his additional grounds, and these cases are Jute Corporation of India Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, which is 1991 judgment and which is reported in 187 ITR at page number 688, and the another judgment relied on by the assessee for admitting his additional ground was NTPC Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, which is 1998 judgment and which is reported in 229 ITR at page number 383. And according to the assessee, the issue is purely legal and go to the root of the matter, and the facts which are there already on record support the additional ground of the assessee, and there are no facts to be brought from any quarter to justify his additional ground. When the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal admitted the additional ground and said that in the present case, from the pursual of the approval under section 153D, it is very apparent that the approval is a single approval in case of two assessees for the multiple assessment years, and it has been given in a single day. And from the pursual, it appears that the Joint Commissioner has not applied his mind while according his sanction to approve the draft assessment orders under section 153C. So the multiple assessment years covered by single approval in a single day in multiple assessees is not valid and as per the mandate of section 153D. So the assessment proceedings based on such type of approval should be quashed on the allegation of mechanical approval. Friends, this case is very important because the safeguard which is given to the assessee in case of such cases and in case where the amount is very high, so the approval has a meaning, and it is for some reason why there is section 153D, but it has been seen that some additions are made, and from the pursuit of the additions it appears that the approval has been given just for the namesake. So these type of assessment should be quashed, and has been well quashed by the Patna Tribunal in the present case. Once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shrimati Anita Devi versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 126 ITR Tribunal, short note 38, and the date of the judgment is 29th July 2025. Thank you, friends.